Hey everybody, Mickey here. Just finished installing the Capristo exhaust. Just got changed. Got the old AMG lounge hat on. So I thought we'd go for a drive, see what the exhaust sounds like. I'm sure we've heard the decibel test, but what does it sound like on the road? Let's go and have a look. Hope you're hearing this. Hope it's been picked. Oh my god. Let's put it into Sport. Sport Plus. I hope you enjoy this. It's already sounding a lot louder. Remember, I haven't fitted the modules yet. The control module. My neighbour there. I hope this is sounding good. It sounds good to me. Go for a quick spin up to go from where I live. Be able to open up the throttle a little bit. This. Those windows open. I'm going to close the windows. See if you can still hear it. Oh. Lot of pops and farts, pops and bangs, excuse me, and really a lot more louder than I've got to say that the engine seems to be a lot more free revving as well. Open the windows again. out for it being too loud. Hell of a lot louder, and it goes a lot freer. The car is just so much more responsive. It's amazing what less back pressure does to the engine. I just wonder what it would be like if I'd been able to get an exhaust pipe for my GTR. I did ask Capristo, but they didn't have any, so my quick spin. I hope you enjoyed the sound. There we have it, G63, phase 1, Capristo exhaust mufflers installed. Just been for a drive. Whoa, too loud. I have to get the controller installed. I think coming home, even in comfort mode, it's just too loud. So I need to be able to switch it down a little bit. So you got my video, my previous video on how to install it. Very simple. It is awesome. I don't think the video does it justice. I don't think the sound could capture exactly, you know, what's going on there, but it is a really, really cool install. So one thing I will notice, since I've installed it, the fans go on a little bit longer, but hey, you know, that's maybe because it's generating a little bit more heat, or they just switched off. They'll probably stay on probably another couple of minutes longer than normal. But there they are, Capristo installed. Thanks for watching, and if you can, please subscribe. I enjoy making the videos. I also enjoy seeing people subscribe because it just makes me feel a little bit great about doing something, and I hope I'm getting better at it. If anybody, you know, decides to install a Capristo exhaust on the G63, there are a couple of tricky bits. I did actually, you know, work out, reach out, you know, get the exhaust, save yourself a few $1,000s in installation, and I'll help you out. You know, I'm not looking for any money or anything. Just if you want to do it yourself, I'm excited you will. So any of you G owners out there, got a couple of hours to spare, you know, do it. You know, just order it, get the discount, Mr. India from Capristo. So put the discount code in, Mr. India. Thanks for watching, and speak to you again on my next video.